Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two dash cameras that are guaranteed to make your jaw drop. On the left, we have the Ovidisa dash camera, and on the right, the Focusway dash cam front, rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi.
Get ready for some serious camera action.
Let's kick things off with the most important category, video quality. When it comes to capturing those crucial moments on the road, both of these cameras pack a punch.
The Ovidisa dash camera boasts an impressive 8K resolution for Ultra HD video, while the Focusway dash cam takes it up a notch with 4K resolution and a wide-angle lens for an expansive field of view.
Alright, let's move on to the next category, connectivity.
Both of these cameras come with nifty features that allow you to stay connected on the go. The Ovidisa dash camera offers a user-friendly app for iOS and Android smartphones, allowing you to live stream, download videos, and change settings with ease.
Plus, it even supports up to 10 Mbps download speed for those impatient moments. Now let's talk about GPS and safety features, because let's face it, we all want that extra peace of mind while we're out on the road.
The Ovidisa dash camera comes equipped with built-in GPS that accurately records your driving location and speed. You can even view your driving route on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using their app. Talk about having solid evidence in case of an accident. Alright folks, let's not forget about parking mode.
We all know how important it is to protect our precious vehicles when we're not around.
The Ovidisa dash camera offers a 24-hour parking continuous recording function. But here's the catch. You need to buy a separate hardware kit to activate this feature. It's like buying a car without wheels, right? The Ovidisa dash camera is highly recommended for its good picture quality, easy installation, and additional safety features.
On the other hand, the Focusway dash cam front, rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi is praised for its high-quality video footage, user-friendly design, and included SD card.
And there you have it, folks.
The showdown between the Ovidisa dash camera and the Focusway dash cam front, rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi.
Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest comparisons.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.